This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix no service issue on iPhone after the last iOS update. Follow these easy and simple steps to fix this problem. The first solution is enable airplane mode for 30 seconds and then turn it back off and then check the issue. The second solution is give a simple restart. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and then check the issue. The third solution is go to your iPhone settings, tap on cellular, and here turn on and turn off your cellular data and then check the issue. The fourth solution is eject the SIM card and then reinsert the SIM card and then check the issue. The fifth solution is reset network settings. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, reset, tap on Reset network settings. Once done, check the issue. The last solution is use a different SIM card. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.